Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can find your saved videos in the Watch Later playlist on your YouTube. First and foremost, open the YouTube app on your device. Also, make sure you're logged into your account. After you're led to your home page, tap on the video that you'd like to save. Similarly, scroll right and you'll see a save option. Tap on the option. Now your videos will be saved in your Watch Later playlist. Exit the video and in the down right corner you'll see an icon with your profile picture. Tap on that icon. Then in the playlist section, tap on the Watch Later playlist. Now you've found the videos saved on your Watch Later playlist. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also leave a comment down below.